Hi everybody, my name is Gofaone Nkwane. I am a girl of 12 years old and today I'm going to act for you. I like acting because it shows the different personalities in me. My favorite actors are Queen Latifah, Cameron Diaz and the rest. Good evening ladies, I am your trainer Mrs. Banks. Oops, sorry. Hello? I'm sorry darling, I'm in the middle of a training for the models. Speak to you later. Okay, can you please introduce yourselves? Next. Thank you very much. Can you please show me what you've got? Hold it right there, darling. Do you call that modeling? When you model, it has to be stomach in and chest out. When you're smiling, when you pose, you have to smile. If you're happy, smile. If you're mad, show them that you're mad. And then, the fierce face, show them that you're fierce. Okay, darling? Okay, from the top. Good. Next. Oh no, darling, that's rubbish, please. Okay, you know what? I don't have much time on my schedule right now. I'll see you, darlings, next time. Okay, bye bye. See you soon. Okay.